Okay, section 2.5 is on compound inequalities. So I don't think these are very difficult. They just look different. So the first type of problem is an and problem. So we have, could be something like this. Where the x is in the middle. That's a big clue for and, is the x is in the middle. So when we solve this, we need to move everything from the middle to both sides. Okay, and then to graph, just put the three, negative 6 and 12, whatever the two numbers are, and then I always throw 0 in there. Technically, you don't have to, but so we're going to put a circle on both numbers, and then if either of them or both of them are and equal, color that in. So we're going to color in the negative 6 part. And then less than 12 means go this way. And in this part, actually, don't read it. You always read it from the x, so it's kind of weird going backwards, but this means x is greater than, just this part right here. X is greater than or equal to negative 6, which means go this way. So all the numbers in between here are greater than negative 6 and less than 12. Okay, so the probably hardest way to do this one, I guess. So let's see if we did negative 8. So this would be kind of, I think, like the hardest one to do, but start by doing adding 4 to both directions. So we get negative 4, negative 2x, and 14. And then we'll divide by negative 2. So the reason that this one becomes like the hardest one is because we divided by a negative, so I have to turn around the sign like on both of them. And then it looks different than the other ones that we did. So, the other ones that we did, the smaller number was to the left and the bigger number was to the right. So I think it kind of makes it easier if we turn it around. So on the negative 7 part, it's pointing at the negative 7, so pointing at the negative 7. On this part, it's pointing at the x. So just make sure if you flip stuff around that the inequality signs point in the correct direction. So then it also makes it easier to graph. Because you just bring the numbers down. Okay. All right. The OR problems. You know it's an OR because you'll see the word OR. So we might have so you just do each one separately. So divide by 3 here. Don't turn the sign around. Yeah, the answer is negative, but I didn't divide by negative, so leave that alone. And then minus 6 on that one. So we have negative 4 and 4. Neither of them are and equal, so I don't need to color anything in. Greater than 4 goes to the right. Less than 4, or negative 4, goes to the left. So there technically are ways to only shade in one direction, but you won't see that on your test, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay. Alright, so you have a worksheet to do. Should be pretty straightforward. You know, it's just kind of on the and ones, make sure you go to the right and to the left when you solve it. And then the or ones obviously have the word or in the problem. That's how you know it's an or problem. Alright, have a great day, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.